Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. It's nice to see you again. Now today we're going to be looking at how to show or hide date and time in your taskbar on Windows, whether it is Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get started. Now I'm going to start with Windows 11. I'm not using Windows 11 this simple. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now to do that, the first thing you need to do is open the settings by pressing the Windows key plus the I key on the keyboard. So Windows key and I key on the keyboard at the same time. Then to open up your settings window, you click on time and language, and then you navigate in the left hand menu, select date and time, and then you will see the switch for show time and date in the system tray. To toggle the switch to the on position to show the time and date, and you choose the off position to hide the time and date. The changes will take effect immediately. Now, like I said before, that's for Windows 11. Now in some other versions of Windows, you might find the option to show or hide the date and time under turn systems icons on and off within the personalization settings, which is exactly what I'm going to show you right now. Let's do that. So the first thing you do is open the Windows settings by pressing the Windows on the I button, and then you click on personalization, and then you can see taskbar. Click on taskbar, and then you scroll down until you see turn systems icons on or off. Then here you go for clock, you turn it off, and once you do that, as you can see, no more time here. Time isn't showing anymore. So I've hidden the date and time in the taskbar. If I turn it on, it comes back. It's as simple as that. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.